Hello, I'm here again, and today I will tell you about shopping because I read something about shopping. Everyone like to go to shopping, and you know that shopping is very interesting to do. Yes, and even my daughter also loves to shop. Whenever she goes to mall, whenever she goes to weekly market, she feels that what should I means everything she wants to purchase. And usually what she does, she usually take a basket. She usually takes a basket, and in that she keeps lot of things, toys, you can say clothes and utensils, and you can say kitchen set and books and notebooks, and
And
you can say
cardboard.
stationery things and cardboard. So many things she
Geometry box.
keeps in basket, and she's at that time she's become so stubborn and nobody can handle her. But it is very difficult to us that how can we handle her. Very difficult it is, so that's why we always avoid to go outside. Because and after that she cries a lot when we don't get so many things, because these are usually, you can say, are not important. And every time she purchases a lot of toys, and after coming home she throws here and there, no use of them, and every time she wants to purchase new book in which she can color, and also purchase so many crayons. She has a lot of crayons, but still she wants to purchase some toys and crayons every time. So she likes shopping. Even I also like, but I'm not into so much into this, because whenever there are festivals or family celebration, then I go to shopping. And that time I am very choosy. I don't uh, purchase trinkets, and I don't purchase so little tiny things. I don't like jewelry so much. I only purchase my sandal and my suits, or you can say saris, because I put on saris very rare. So I go, and I don't ask any discount to the student, sorry, shopkeeper, because I'm feeling little bit I can't say what I feel, but my husband always do bargaining. And if they do it, that will good for us. But I don't ask, right? But if I feel this is good and it is worthy, and so I give whatever they ask. But for my daughter I don't ask any discount, and my husband also don't ask any discount. If we feel that this is good and it will look good to my daughter, then we purchase that. And I am choosy whenever I purchase anything from any shop. First of all, I ask my husband that how I will look after wearing it. If I wear this, so it will be suit for me or not. If he agrees, then I purchase it. Otherwise, I don't purchase. So you can say that I don't go often to purchase or shop. And sometimes I go to purchase, or you can say shop online and offline too, and both are good. Sometimes we don't get time so much, so we purchase from online also. And my daughter mostly put on her clothes from the online. And I know that sometimes we feel that outside going is very exhausted work, so we don't go outside. We purchase from online. And if we don't like the clothes, then we return it, right? Even in this era, boys also or men also uh, doing shopping so much, because they also you put on bracelet and caps and goggles, and matching t-shirts and jeans, and you can say your footwear also, and they make so many reels on it. They are, how are they looking, and they ask from the people. So this is craving for everyone, you know. And you know that in this era everyone wants to look beautiful and smart in their dress. So if means that time is showing time, you can say, and nobody is feeling that what are they doing, and they don't know what are they doing, but they are purchasing, they are wasting money on these things. I think we should live simple life, and we should not show off in front of any person, because reality is reality. I don't put on makeup also, I don't like makeup. So I think it is good sometime, we can use that, but not daily, because without makeup how will you look? It's totally terrible, I think. Okay, let's tell me what is your opinion about it, what do you think about it? Bye bye, take care.